can't be worth much if the song doesn't move from inside the heart. And a song can't move from the heart if faithful heart, deep love isn't there. That's why my singing is supreme, for in the joy of love I haven't put my mouth and eyes, my heart and mind. May God never give me the power that I wouldn't take desire from love, if I never knew how to have anything from it. But each day evil came to me from it. All times I'd still have a good heart from it, and I have much more joy from it, because my heart is good and I wait for it. People blame love through not knowing, foolish people, but it's no harm to love, for love can't at all fall down unless it's common love. That is not love, such a thing as only the name and the appearance, for it doesn't love anything if it doesn't take. If I wanted to speak the truth of it, I know well from whom the deceit moves, from those ladies who love for wealth and are venal merchants. I'd be a liar and false about it. I speak the truth of it villainously, and it weighs on me that I don't lie about it. In pleasing and in wanting is the love of two faithful lovers. Nothing can be of use there if the wills aren't equal, and that one is, well, a natural fool, who from what he wants reproaches her and praises to her what isn't good to her. I've well placed my good hope when she shows me beautiful looks, she whom I most desire and want to see, frank, sweet, faithful, and loyal, in whom a king would be saved, beautiful, graceful, with a fitting body. She's made me a rich man from nothing. I don't love or fear anything more, and nothing would ever be a trouble to me, as long as my lady came to pleasure, for that day seems like Christmas to me, when with her beautiful spiritual eyes she looks at me. But she does it so slowly that one single day lasts me 100. The song is faithful and natural, and good for the one who understands it well, and better it is for the one who waits for the joy from it. BERNART de VENTADORN understands it, and says it and does it, and waits for the joy from it.